We'll guide you through how to use Stripe Checker efficiently and ensure your payment processing is smooth and error-free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Stripe website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, which is your control center for managing payments and checking transactions. In the dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on the Payments tab to view all your recent transaction activities. This area gives you a comprehensive view of successful and failed payments. To perform a Stripe check on a specific transaction, click on the payment you want to investigate. Here, you can view detailed information about the transaction, including the status, amount, date, and customer details. If you encounter a failed transaction, click on the View Details button to troubleshoot. Stripe provides specific error codes and messages to help you identify and resolve issues. Use these codes to understand why a payment might have failed, whether it's due to insufficient funds, incorrect card details, or other reasons. For a more automated approach, consider utilizing the Stripe CLI, which allows you to run commands directly from your terminal to test and verify transactions. This tool is especially useful for developers and those who manage a high volume of transactions. Remember, keeping your Stripe account secure is crucial, so always use two-factor authentication and regularly update your API keys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.